update your Paws badge and grab more wPAWS before Monday deadline. You get that right. Monday deadline. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel or you're here to subscribe to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video. So Paws is rounding up everything on their platform, preparing for the token allocation, token generation and listing, which I believe will happen this month. So there's a new update, which is latest update. Monday is the final day for you to upgrade your badge and grab wPAWS. So Monday, barely 24 hours from the time of recording this video, which means we are on time limited activities now. If you come to your Paws account, you, after verifying yourself, you're going to see at the top left corner, you're going to see where the option to claim is. When you click on that option to claim, so you're going to see different kind of eligibility criteria for Paws Airdrop, and under the one that is advisable, they say recommended, which to me I think is the one that will actually determines how much of Paws Airdrop you will actually be getting. And here you are going to see voting badge, then you will also see explore turn, then you see your Paws balance. Those three things actually are very vital. But the one I'm going to talk about is the badge and the Paws. So if you look at the badge, we have three different badges there. We have the supporters badge, we have the dolphins, we have the whales, then we have the gate. If you look at the two supporters and whales, those ones just little turns, you just need to get those badges. But when you look at the whales badge, you can see from here you need a whopping sum of 46.9 tons. 46.9 tons. That's about $200 or more. Then the second one, which they call goat, you need almost 100 tons. If you look at the price is also huge. So now, in my own opinion, these are the things that will determine how much airdrop you will be getting. As simple as ABC. So this option will expire starting from Monday. So if you want to get any of this, you are free to get. But as far as I'm concerned, I don't have any money that I'm going to use to get any of this badge, as long as I am concerned. Then if you look at the other one, which is explore tons. So the highest here is 10 tons, and it will give you a lot of wPAWS. So if you want to get more airdrop in Paws, you can actually get this thing done, because a lot of people have been asking in my community that how can they get it, how can they get this bag, how can they get this bag. It's not for free. You use money to get it. So if you're a believer in Paws and you know that Paws will actually do where you believe, you can go ahead and do that. But as far as I'm concerned, personally, on this issue, we have a lot of people on Paws. I can't risk just kind of money. Assuming we have less than 1 million people on Paws, I can actually give it a try. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to go further for now. So that will be all for now. So if you want to get more airdrop on your Paws, you can go ahead and get the badge. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're a believer in Paws, go ahead and buy it. See you next time for more exciting updates. And check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram community. It's a large community where we help ourselves in making money online. See you in my Telegram community. Bye for now.